I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. Scattered thunderstorms that develop near a low-pressure trough in the west this afternoon may track into the central. Through this evening, there is a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 of 5 for areas along and west of a line from Valentine to North Platte, McCook, and Colby. Damaging winds and hail are the main threats. Highs are in the 90s and feels like readings in the low 100s tomorrow with more sunshine than today. Thunderstorm chances increase as a cold front tracks to the southeast. Storms could be severe late tomorrow through tomorrow night, especially for locations north of I-80 in central Nebraska on into the northeast, where there is a slight risk, a level 2 of 5. The front stalls and a few thunderstorms will remain possible through Thursday night. Our daytime highs drop to seasonal levels in the 80s to the low 90s for Thursday and Friday. A ridge of high pressure strengthens for mostly dry weather and highs in the mid-90s to the low 100s for the weekend through Monday. Long-term forecast maintains that outlook for warmer than normal temperatures Sunday through the first 4 days of August in Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. The highest chances of warmer than normal temperatures in the central U.S. are during the early to middle of next week. In a slight improvement from the previous outlook, Nebraska and Kansas rainfall Sunday through August 4th likely to stay mostly near normal, possibly slightly above normal in far northern Nebraska. Key weather factors the markets are watching include mostly favorable weather for the Corn Belt, but with increased heat, improved rainfall in the northern plains, Canadian prairies, Europe and Australia, and dryness in areas of the Black Sea region. The rest of the week, hot and mostly dry weather persists or develops beneath a ridge of high pressure from the southeastern plains and western Gulf Coast on into the mid-Atlantic. Moisture wrapping around the outer edges of that high-pressure ridge results in widespread rain and thunderstorms in several regions, including the Midwest, lower Southeast, and large sections of the Plains and Rockies. Locally severe thunderstorms may also occur, especially across the northern and central plains and upper Midwest. Scattered rain building south from the Canadian prairies and northern plains the middle part of next week is expected to spread through the Corn Belt later on next week. For the northern plains, increasing rain is improving the growing conditions heading into early next month. In some locations in the Canadian prairies, the improving rain could be too late, but very helpful for spring wheat and canola in the reproductive stages. Manitoba really needs rain, but some areas of Alberta and Saskatchewan are in very good shape. Australia is seeing increasing rainfall before wheat and canola moves from the vegetative to the reproductive stage. Eastern Europe, that's been drier, expects multiple rounds of rain through next week, a benefit for developing summer crops, but not the wheat harvest. The southern Black Sea region, with above normal temperatures, continues to be missed by rain this week, favoring wheat harvest, but not developing corn. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.